TFNN. Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. Always do your best, but don't overdo. When you overdo, you deplete your body and you go against yourself, and it will take longer to accomplish your goal. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials down 119, NASDAQ down 8, S&P's off 6.5, gold contract up $3.80, trading at $13.03 an ounce. Silver up 18 cents, $17.08 an ounce. Copper up a penny at $3.25 a pound. Light sweet crude up 35 cents, $66.71 a barrel. Notes and bonds. You had the 10-year note up 6 ticks, down 6 ticks, 119.06. 30-year bond down 8, 142.21. King dollar down 226 ticks, trading 93.575. The euro is trading at 117.91 to $1. The yen is at 110.25 to $1, and Bitcoin's down an additional $266, trading 62.65. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? We go take a look at the SPY first. SPY's trading at a price point 278. Bottom line, the top of this consolidation up here at the 280s, giving it a tough time. We made it to 279.48, and what I expect you're going to see, the differential inside the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ is pretty dramatic. That's not only technically, but fundamentally. Fundamentally, those S&P stocks, bottom line, are going to get hit with the tariffs that are out there, that are coming out there. And let's see, Trump is Trump says he's going to confront China very strongly over trade in the coming weeks, sending a warning to North Korea's biggest trading partner. China could be a little upset about trade because we are very strongly clamping down on trade. Trump just said on Fox. So bottom line is that S&P, big S&P stocks, they're going to get hit first. NDX 100, it's a different animal, man. Bottom line, NDX 100, you hit a high out here today of a 72.61. You closed at 72.05. Anything over 71.86 is a new high. And if we go into the Qs, we take a look at the Qs, they can definitely need more volume, but bottom line is they're holding price. Anything over 175.21, you can get the higher price, and we're at 175.82 right now. We take a look at the strength versus the weakness inside the Dow Industrials. Point-wise, what you had out here, Boeing was the culprit, putting negative points inside the Dow. That put 46 negative points in. Caterpillar put 19. Apple put 10. Verizon put 9. Positive points, Disney. Disney put 13. Goldman put 8. After the close out here, if we take a look at Fox, what you're going to see is that 21st Century Fox, I believe it's up about another $0.50. That closed at $43.41. That had already been up $3. And now it's up another 80 cents, $44.20. And what the news there is that Comcast is coming in with another offer. They're basically going back and forth with Disney. This offer here, Comcast made its long-awaited offer to acquire 21st Century Fox, topping a previous proposal by Walt Disney. Comcast, the largest U.S. cable producer, said its cash offer reflects $65 billion for Fox Entertainment assets, $35 a share. The bid represents a 19% premium over the Disney offer. So bottom line is that you get a bid more that's happening out here in a big way. Let's go take a look at that equity again for a second. So, and of course, this whole thing has been a heated deal. Even more so because what you did have is that when Marvell won the suit against the Justice Department, that said it all. And man, this is Fox. This is a rocket ship. Look at this. So let's see, 24. 38, you get 14, 35, 40. Yeah, so we're at 45 bucks. This chart's saying that, and this bidding war is not over, that 50 is at least in the game, because your A to B equals C to D is a $50 move, a $50 price point. Gold contract's up 380, trading at 1303. Silver, as I said a little bit earlier, big monster move inside the silver market. That's been moving with volume, moving with price, moving with everything that it needs for higher price. You had 104,000 contracts out here today. Nice move. Next swing point up here is $17.42. I do expect that you're going to get up there. Notes and bonds, bottom line is that they want higher price. You know, they refused to back down. When the announcement did come out, they backed down. They backed down pretty good, and they just came roaring right back. The 10-year went to 118.29, ends up closing at 119.06, and anything, all it had to do is close inside 119.04, and that was the strength from last week. Bigger strength would be inside the 119.11, but bottom line wants higher price. The King Dollar. So King Dollar is going to be active all night, starting at, well, about 3 o'clock in the morning. Why? Because you're going to have the European Central Bank saying whether what they are going to do about either QE or basically reining it a bit. The way that the dollar index is trading, it looks like it could be an ABC structure on the way down, and the euro is just the opposite. Euro rejected lower price today at 117.26. You closed at 117.92, and that is one monster move. And it did move both ways, folks. Pretty amazing, actually. When the announcement first came out, you got smoked on the way down, turned around, and go right back topside. So this volatility inside the metals market, inside the bond market, inside the currency market, I expect is going to continue. Small caps. We take a look at the small caps. Small caps out here basically laid out flat. Down 66 cents, 166.87. Those babies are laying at highs. We'll see where the whole China tariff issue goes. Bottom line is that, what day is it? There's always going to be a new day, a new tax, a new tariff, a new something to basically keep everyone thinking about anything and everything except what's really going on. Stay right there, folks. Come right back.